Mental health is more important than money. Let's talk about it. Because in the past, no matter what situation, the circumstance you may find yourself in, it's ultimately boils down to your state of mind. It doesn't matter if you have $1 in your pocket or $100, $1,000. It doesn't matter. If you are not mentally stable or have a sound mind, it's not going to matter how much money you have in reality. And then vice versa. You could be broke, busted, and disgusted, but if you have a positive outlook on life, then your situation will ultimately change. But at the end of the day, money cannot be the end all be all, cannot be your source of happiness. So let's talk about it. Mental health refers to a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, influencing how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Maintaining good mental health is essential for living a balanced and fulfilling life. While money is undeniably important for securing basic needs, mental health is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Poor mental health can lead to problems that are far more complex than any financial challenge, often affecting relationships, work, performance, and overall quality of life. A person with good mental health is better equipped to cope with life's challenges, manage stress, and make positive choices. On the other hand, focusing too much on money or external success can sometimes compromise mental well-being, as the constant pursuit of wealth and material gain can lead to stress, burnout, and feelings of emptiness. Ultimately, while money can provide comfort and security, it's mental health that enable us to enjoy life and find true happiness. In short, prioritizing mental health creates a stronger, more resilient foundation, allowing individuals to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and fulfillment. So this message is for somebody, and I just wanted to hop on here real quick because I really wasn't going to make a video today because I'm really focusing on my mental health right now, currently at the moment. So, but the message has to be brought today. Something in me said, go ahead and record it right now. And yes, because mental health is a real thing at the end of the day. So, because your job can be stressful, your home life could be stressful, relationships, all of that, paying bills, all of that. Believe me, I know I'm experiencing it right now. But in reality, all I can do is what I can do. All you can do is what you can do. And you leave the rest up to the Most High. Put the rest in the Most High hands. And He will protect you and supply all your needs and wants and desires. Just keep on doing what you need to do. And yes, try not to worry. You may need to talk to a therapist. You may need to, seek counseling to deal with stress and cope with, depression or whatever the case may be. But just remember that money does not solve everything. Just because you have money does not mean you're going to be happy, or just because you are homeless or you in a bad situation doesn't mean that you're going to be miserable or whatever the case may be. So just know that your mental health is more important. Mental health is way more important than money will ever be. So no matter how much money you have, your mentality, your state of mind has to be healthy and intact, as much as possible. So your focus more on having a healthy mind, a healthy body, being conscious and aware of what you're listening to, what you're entertaining, who you listening to, who you entertaining, all of that. Because at the end of the day, you need to be healthy, mind, body, soul, and spirit. And yeah, because nobody has the energy to engage in negativity or anything that's not in our best interest and going to cause a distraction and all of that. So keep the Most High first and stay healthy, mind, body, soul, and spirit. And see you next time. Peace.